Dressmaker shot and killed, husband among two injured in Spanish Town. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police are currently processing a crime scene where a 52-year-old woman was killed and her husband and another family member injured on Monday morning. The incident occurred at their home in Mansfield Avenue in Homestead, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The deceased woman has been identified as Andrea Mitchell Young, a dressmaker. Her husband, who is said to be 56, and a 21-year-old man have been admitted to hospital. The police told Links 007 TV News that at around 1 a.m., the three were at home sleeping when armed men with high-powered weapons kicked open the front door and opened fire, hitting all occupants of the house. By the police to the hospital. While undergoing treatment, Miss Mitchell Young succumbed to her injuries. The men are in stable condition. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.